We recommend everyone to know early Black Friday 2020 about Yahboom AI robot for NVIDIA Jetson Nano 4GB B01 A02. When is Black Friday 2020? Black Friday 2020 is celebrated on November 27, 2020. On the day of the event, you will find products from all outstanding categories. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. If you want to get highlight features and full review of Yahboom AI robot for NVIDIA Jetson Nano 4GB B01 A02, please visit the link in YouTube description below. Overview Summary. JetBot is a multi-functional AI smart robot car based on NVIDIA Jetson Nano that responds quickly to a variety of AI visual gameplay. The vehicle is made of green aluminum alloy, coupled with a unique mechanical structure that makes it different in appearance from other cars. Equipped with 3 degrees of freedom lifting platform and 8 million HD camera, which can real-time view surrounding scenes. And it can accomplish automatic avoiding, object tracking, color recognition tracking, detecting desktop edge to anti-drop, etc. You can also train a variety of different runway models and control JetBot complete the Autopilot function. Programmable RGB strips are also designed on both sides to light up high brightness colorful light in dark environments. Users can remote control it by APK or handle, and we will provide lots of reference tutorials for users. And if you do not understand, not sure or have questions, you can leave questions in the comments box. In addition, if you think our channel that's something useful for you, please press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.